Navy films of a carrier strike at the Ryukyu Islands, 360 miles south of Japan. Aircraft carriers, battleships, cruisers, and other units of Admiral Raymond A. Spruance's powerful Fifth Fleet battle through heavy seas. They penetrate deep into territory considered by the enemy as part of the Japanese mainland. Hundreds of bombers and fighters take off from the decks of the task force carriers. A protective umbrella of Hellcats and Corsairs is thrown around the fleet, while Avenger torpedo planes and Helldiver bombers sweep inland. Jap coastal ships are caught offshore and destroyed. Jap warships and cargo vessels anchored in the island harbor and breakwater are strafed and sunk. Military and naval installations along the shore are pounded by the Navy's HE rockets and 50 caliber guns. The island's big airstrip is raked by heavy fire. Jap planes are destroyed on the ground. Back at the fleet, Jap aircraft strike at our ships. The few remaining Jap planes that get through our fighter cordon run into intense anti-aircraft fire. The strike precedes the invasion of Okinawa Island by the 10th Army on 1st April.